So this is Job Bank guys. Mag-online pag naka-create ka na ng account, mag-login ka lang. And then yan na yung account mo, standard account ang piliin mo. Pwede ka mag-upgrade but I suggest standard account para walang bayad. And then yan yung dashboard mo. Then yan, makikita mo dyan may resumes, may yan yung names. Yan, pwede ka mag-edit dyan. Tapos, save mo lang. Then dyan, click sign out kung tapos ka na sa ginagawa mo. And then, if you're going to find job, punta ka sa i-filter mo kung anong job na hanapin mo. May mga cook dyan, bookkeeper, customer service, food service supervisor, truck driver, nanny. So if you're going to look for a nanny job, so you're just going to click nanny. Yun, click nanny. And then makikita dyan ang sino ang nag-hire, yung employer, potential employer, yung offer niya, saan location, kung permanent ba or full-time. Nakita mo dyan ang listings nila, kung anong education, your responsibilities, and then who can apply for this job. And then sa baba, merong show how to apply. Kung saan mo isi-send ang resume mo, dyan mo isi-send. Yan, sa email ng direct sa employer or kung saan. Meron po dyan ang guide kung paano isi-send. Kung maghanap ka naman po ng iba, balik lang po sa search engine. Kung maghanap ka ng housekeeping, yan, punta ka search engine and then i-filter mo lang housekeeping. Then click mo ang housekeeping and then location kung saan mo gustong magtrabaho or where do you want to choose mo na to reside in Canada to live and work. So yan, hanapin mo, lalabas na yan kaagad. So once it will come out, so yan, housekeeping manager, housekeeping aide, kung saan-saan po, housekeeper, mga hiring po, mga posting, nandyan pwede po nyo. Tingnan nyo lang po kung saang lugar, anong kailangan nila, requirements, who can apply for this job, show how to apply or where you're going to send your resume. So makikita nyo po dyan. It's just so easy po. So yan, balik lang po kaagad. And then kung mag-sign out, then go back.